Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deploy an app to AWS using Claude AI. First, go to the official AWS website and download the AWS CLI installer. Install it on your system by following the setup steps. This tool allows your computer to communicate directly with AWS services from the terminal. Once the installation is complete, open Command Prompt. Now install Claude Code globally using npm. This command installs the Claude tool on your system so you can run it from any folder in your terminal. Next, connect your AWS account. Enter the command that logs you in using your AWS profile. This step will open a browser where you sign in and give permission. After this, your terminal will be linked to your AWS account. Now set the required environment variables. Enter the commands that tell Claude to use AWS Bedrock and also specify which AWS profile should be used. This ensures that all actions Claude performs are tied to the correct account. After that, navigate to your project folder. Use the command that changes your current directory to where your application code is stored. For example, you might move into a Documents or Code folder where your project exists. Once you are inside your project folder, enter the command that starts Claude. This will launch the Claude interface directly inside your terminal. Now initialize the AI agent by entering the command that scans your project. Claude will read your files and understand how your application works. When that is done, install the deployment plugin by entering the command that adds AWS deployment capabilities to Claude. This gives it the tools needed to create and manage cloud resources. Finally, enter the deployment prompt that tells Claude to deploy your application, analyze your code, suggest the best AWS service, and show the estimated cost before starting. Follow the instructions shown, approve the deployment, and your app will go live. Thanks for watching.